with your heel, up with your hand. Pull down. Look back. Turn at your waist. Contact at your square. Separate. Sit back. Up. Forward. Drop your left hand. Turn your left foot. Hold your ball on tiptoe. Out with your heel. Pull down the tail. Look back. Turn, square, contact, separate, sit back, up, forward. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot, single whip. Transitioning into cloud hands. Turn, grab it or one. Cup, two. Cup, one. Cup, two. Cup, one. Cup, two. Single whip. Half step forward. Sit back. Pull down. Look back, turn, square off, contact, separate, sit back, push up and forward. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot, single whip, and out. This is the transition.